Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Halloween mummy sausages and mummy hot dogs. Easy, fun, delicious idea to add to your Halloween party. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut cheese slices into thin strips while cold. Bring the cold cheese to room temperature. In this way, cheese won't break while wrapping around the sausages. Now cook the sausages in the way you like is okay. Let them cool until slightly warm. Wrap the cheese strips around the sausages. Cut out small round pieces of cheese. Put small round pieces of Nori seaweed sheet in the center. Place the eyes. And now it's done! You can make hot dogs, perfect for bento lunchbox. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
아, すごい一口で出す。
猫バイちゃん、僕がペペの。できた。猫。うさぎ。
全部食べそうだ。
猫、
本当だ、猫みたいになっちゃった。
福田さんもぜひ作ってください。チャンネル登録お願いします。チャンネル登録をして、バイバイ。次の動画でお願いします。バイバイ。